Hey 6,000 Danish tubers and welcome back. Hey 6,000, that's not nearly enough. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you continue. Before we get started, I need to congratulate Bar in Englander and the Run Yasmin on YouTube. You commented the most flags and you both kind of commented the same. So how about we get together and we do a joint lesson. Congratulations, you have won a free Danish class with me. And if you want to win a free Danish class, go ahead, like this video and drop as many Danish flags as humanly possible. So on to today's video, 3 Danish pronunciation hacks. Hack number 1. Don't put a potato in your mouth. Hack number 1 is simply when you are using the words det and anytime you're saying it is or that is, what you need to do is you need to contract these words almost from det to der. For example, det er godt, det er godt, det er hyggeligt, det er hyggeligt, det er irriterende, det er irriterende. That was almost 3 smudges. And hack number 2 that is also using and it's when you say jeg er. Again, contract them, smudge them into one sound. Jeg er. For example, jeg er 36. Jeg er 36. Jeg er en mand. Jeg er en mand. Modtaget? Got it? And hack number 3. Oh yeah, hack number 3 is cutting off the Danish D. You know you have this soft D in Danish. Well, sometimes you could just drop it. For example, with the word vel. And if we take the verb again, vel det, hvad det, smudge them, hvad det. And you can do this with loads of different phrases. How about this one? Vel, mil, dig, 2 soft D's. Really, you say it like, hvad med dig? Hvad med dig? Vel det. Hvad det? You can also drop it very often when you use the word god, meaning good, of course. For example, I am good. Now I'm going to take the first smudges we talked about and the dropping of the D. Jeg er god. Jeg er god. Jeg er god. There's actually a fixed expression whenever you talk about being good at something. Jeg er god til and the thing. Or he is good at, han er god til. So, smudge the especially when it is det or jeg er. And also, drop the Danish D on words like vel and god. Listen out for what other people say and repeat what you hear. And that was it for the first of many in this pronunciation hack video. If you're a beginner, check out my beginner course, the Essential Danish Grammar course. And also, don't forget to grab your Danish Bible. That is the Essential Danish Grammar. I don't want to keep repeating it, so make sure you read the book. Jamen tak for denne gang, og vi ses i næste video.